We're right at the center of Abu Dhabi. We're crossing the main road highway. It's green. Okay. We're crossing here. Okay. Pasok kami. Okay. Ito pang night market ata to eh. No, but if you see, you know, we just cross yung road. Pataas. Anong pupuntahan namin dito here? So, exercise area pala to. Okay. Anong place nga to? Anong place to? Ah, okay. Parang beach. Cornish Beach. So, pahangin. Right here in Abu Dhabi.
Oo, daw Manila Bay sa Manila. Yung dagat? Sa, ate.
Kasama namin Chic RJ. Parang na rin namasyal ng Abu Dhabi, no? United Arab Emirates. For today, ang dami namin napuntahan. We just arrived 3 o'clock. Sinundo na kami. We have a private vehicle touring us here. Ito pala siya. Para siyang ano to, Manila Bay natin na area. Fresh air. This is what we call, ayan, ay may reflexology pala.
Reflexology pathway. Ang cute ng concept, simple lang, stones lang. So nakatapa ka. Diba?
Reflexology pathway niya.
Little things that you can do naman ang
Ganda. Okay.